Okay, we're live and we are right into the session of today, the 19th of November 2024. SMCI up 23%, 23, 24%. All of these are on their account that they have appointed another auditor, BDO, to be to serve as their auditor, and the prospects of regaining compliance with nasdaq, I believe. So this is what's going on. So the rebound is gradually coming in, and we got the news that Eston Young, was not has relinquished their services with them as of late October, not a few couple of weeks ago, and the stock plunged all the way down to $17.34. It didn't seem like this was ever going to happen, but we're not out of the woods yet. They haven't. Um, Compliance hasn't exactly taken effect yet. So um, this is what we're looking at right now. This is a daily chart. This is a 1 day chart. It has an upper projection of 39.79. It's still a discount to this value of around 49.48 printed as of Tuesday the 29th. Yes, that news I think came out on the 30th of October. I want to believe, yes. So broke through a lot of downward projections, or even indeed upper projections. Broke through a lot of upper projections where didn't pan out, didn't were negated. There's actually one here, 28.5, 28.56 as of it was projected as of Wednesday, the 13th of November. It didn't turn out to be anything. But now we are looking at facing the prospects of this roughly $39. Who knows what's going to happen? We don't have, what do we have? We have an extrapolation of its 10-period moving average, projected an upward move, and then extrapolation of its 40-period moving average. So even with this good news, it's still projected that we're going to have a convergence. Convergence is expected as of Tuesday, the 3rd of October, thereabouts, early December. That might be when it might culminate, but we don't exactly know exactly for sure if that will ultimately be what is going to happen. But right now, what is building up is a contraction. The slight volatility that is coming up now. It's trying to meet the it's trying to just see as the fresh current of hope. It's just rising and it's going to meet the old kind of current of despair. So it's going to lead into a balance, that it might just naturally it might lead to a balance, or it may not. That old current might suddenly even pick up energy from the new current. So this is just a daily chart. Let's have a look at its 4-hour chart and see what's going on there. Might get an idea of what's going to happen in a couple of hours, but maybe by the time you come to watch this. So yes, it's got the rejection as of this was the rejection. It amidst all of this, amidst all of that negativity, it did try to buyers did come, and they tried to spike up the price, and got a rejection on 29.84 as of yesterday. Yes, pulling back as a matter of fact. So even though it's up 20%, it has actually printed high highs of late, high highs since at least this whole of November, as a matter of fact. Yes. So this was sort of that when that news came out, was sort of late October. So these even though of course these are higher prices, but they were not printed on they are printed on its way down. So these are higher prices on its way up. So as a matter of fact, that is actually corrected slightly. It's actually corrected slightly as of yesterday. So this news about the auditor actually came out yesterday, not even today. So If you are seeing 20%, that's I think still very much generous. But all in all, market participants are indeed expecting the stock to do better than what it is right now, do better than what it is doing right now. So still that contraction is still expected, still forecasted on still projected, still extrapolated on this daily chart. You see the 10 period moving average moving sideways. Sideways movement is what is projected, and the 10 and the 40 period moving average forming forming going to form an arc, going to form a wedge, if you like, but still projected to continue to rise. It's a 40 period moving average. But 10 period moving average on this 4-hour chart is still projected to continue to move sideways and sort of up till towards the 21st of November. So, but all of these are this is a 4-hour chart. So within the hour, within that 4 hours, a lot of things can still happen. So we might be able to see what's going on here. SMCI on Think and Swing. Taking some time to come up. So this is SMCI. This is a 4-hour chart. You can see when was this intraday high printed? It was printed today. As a matter of fact, maybe in the pre-market session, $32 or thereabouts. So if it was in the pre-market session, then I think normally it's usually that we see a cool off, when the market opens. Okay, so there are projections there. I've pointed out those projections for SMCI, still holding a gain of about 20%, but did actually print high highs, a high of around $32. Just not long ago, so it's pulling back right now, based on this chart we have on Think and Swim. It's now within its price channel, so expect expect some strength to come back in. So let's have a look and see what's going on with the broader market. Yeah, a couple of things going on there. Okay, that's so yeah. Here we have upper projection of 29.84, 29.84. Yeah. Okay. Their previous projections of around 53.31. But they never materialized. As a matter of fact, as high as 61.73, but they have been negated at the moment. But they might come back into the equation. Let's see if there's any other fresh news. It should still be the same news. Super micro surges as AI American hires new auditor 6 filing extension. Okay, yeah. In a nutshell, that's what's going on with SMCI. We told you it's going to rebound, and it did rebound, and it still has the prospect of doing better. Still has the prospect of doing better. So let's quickly jump to SMCX. SMCX is up 44.7, 44% roughly. Let's see what's behind this SMCX. Okay, let's see whether we can find any news. There isn't any news here. Defines daily target to X. That's just from SMCI ETF. Is it connected? Is it connected to SMCI? Maybe SMCI ETF. It looks very much like SMCI. Here we have upper projection of $53.99. Yeah, still very much in effect. Let's have a look at its daily chart and see what's going on there. Yeah, this is his daily chart. Let's see. I think it definitely has to probably is associated with this is an ETF associated with SMCI. So rebound projection of 86, 85 there or thereabouts. Yeah, $5 or thereabouts. Let's see. SMCX. You might be able to find what this is. SMCX. SMCI ETF. It has to be there. So it has to be an ETF that's associated with SMCI. Okay, it is, yes. The investment 6-day investment returns before fees and expenses of 2 times 200% daily percentage change in the share price of SMCI. The fund is actively managed. Is an actively managed exchange ETF that attempts to achieve 2 times the daily percentage change in the price of the underlying security by entering into swap agreements on the underlying security. The fund is not diversified. Okay, so that's an SMCI ETF. So it's mirroring, tries to double every gain. Tries to double every. Is that what it? 2 times the daily percentage change. Okay, that's what it aims to do. Okay, so right now the gain is 43.26, and yeah. So let's quickly move on to the next one. That will be BKKT. Let's find out what's going on with BKKT. Definitely a big crypto adjacent stock. So BKKT, this didn't happen today, you know. It happened was it today? Yes, yeah, it did today. As a matter of fact, some of the spike has been in effect as of Monday yesterday. So it's since then what are we got here? 11.41, so over three times BKKT. That's astronomical. We have the extrapolation of its temporary moving average is that strength will still remain in effect, but don't, in as much as we trust these indicators, don't rely on that. It's definitely going to pull back at some point. This is probably going to be a 52-week high. Is it? Is it a 52-week high? No, it's not really. It's not a 52-week high, but at least this is the highest it has traded since April. This is the highest it has traded since April. This is let's get it. This is almost 50%, more than 50%. This is the current price right now is over 50% premium to its peak since April, since its peak of April, since its peak of 22.92. This happened in July, so it's now currently trading at more than 50% premium to this peak. We're looking at this peak here, so projections are looking strong, but like I said, expect a pullback to happen at some point. So let's have a look at other indicators and see whether we can see other things, can see probabilities. Let's see the web trend probability. Okay. The probability that it will remain above its 10-period moving average looks like 90%. Above its 50-period moving average, it looks like 50-period moving average. It's probably 200 moving average. It looks like 21%. But the probability that it will fall below that is 21%. Probability that it will fall below its 10-period moving average is looking like I think it's 90%. Probability that it will I think it will pull back. Let's just say that. And yeah, okay, probability that it will pull back below its other moving averages, they are looking like less than 10%. So we are looking at a pullback. A pullback is expected for the stock. A high likelihood of it coming at least very close to its 10-period moving average. But there are no projections on this based on what we're using now. Indeed, there are Fibonacci projections. You can always print to find out supports and all that. So, but we can quickly have a look and see what those indicators will be, what those indicators will be showing us. Let's see which we're going to use. Let's see. Yeah, let's try this. No, that's not the right one. Not the right indicator. Oh, yeah, it is the right indicator. So we have 32.99. We have 29.57. We have 28.5, 28.49, and they go all the way down to, yeah, you can see that there's a Fibonacci projection. There's a support around just right around where its 10-period moving average is 15.77. So, and the probability that it will retrace back at least close, if not below its 10-period moving average is a very high, is a higher 90%. Yeah. So, but right now things are indicating that I think this is, you can see this is a wedge. This is not this is just manifesting volatility expansion. It's not extrapolating any contraction anytime soon. But surely it will happen. Right now it's not really indicating that. Not really indicating that. There might be some news out there, but don't exactly know. DJT stock falls. Why Trump and media buying crypto platform DKT is just what's needed. Okay, so it's okay. I didn't know that. Why Trump media buying crypto platforms. So so I didn't know it was associated with Trump. If you didn't know, now you know. Okay. Yeah, let's see. BKT high of around 39.50 was printed in this session as well. Okay, let's see what's going on with MSTR. MicroStrategy strongly bullish. A relentless upward extrapolation for its temporary moving average, and indeed the stock as well. So it's expected that it will continue to extend, continue to rally up to Tuesday, the 3rd of October, December. We have the highs of around this really over this is over $400, so thereabouts, $400, and we have down here, yeah, strength is expected to remain intact. Let's see what's going on. MicroStrategy is smarter bet than Bitcoin itself. Let's see Group Focus, what are they saying here? It's a company that specializes in business intelligence, soared at 12% today amid Bitcoin rallies after the purchase of 51,780 BTC for approximately $4.6 billion. Now MicroStrategy holds 331,200 BTC with average price of at roughly $89,000. The total supply of Bitcoin is 21 million BTC. That means MicroStrategy owns 1.57% of the total BTC, making it stand as a significant holder. MicroStrategy started in its Bitcoin investment strategy in 2020 to position itself as a hedge asset against inflation and diversify treasury. First, they bought the cryptocurrency at 49,004, roughly 50,000, and that kept on averaging up to what it is right now, which is around roughly $89,000. The company plans to fundraise $1.75 billion to help them buy more Bitcoin to realize zero convertible notes maturing in 2029. The plan is to fundraise more up to $42 billion over the next 3 years to further support its Bitcoin investment. MicroStrategy shares have improved by 509%, 509% year to date, while Bitcoin's value has improved by only 1.7%. So from the last 5 years, MicroStrategy had a stunning 2,398% increase in value, and Bitcoin is 1,148% higher in the same period. Looking at these figures, it can therefore be deduced that MicroStrategy shares might be profitable than investing directly in Bitcoin. Okay, could that be the case? Could that be the case? Is that the case? The fact that we've seen this, does that mean that will continue to be the case? Does that mean that we're going to continue to see MicroStrategy outperform Bitcoin? And we have actually seen something interesting. The temporary moving average has continually. I mean, we have to go all the way back to sometime in April of this year. The temporary move, or even beyond. The temporary moving average has constantly been serving as a primary supply line, much more well pronounced from September of this year. You can see that each time comes close, we have a spike. Each time it comes close, there's a spike, and that pattern tried to lose its potency as of early this month, early this month when it broke through, but still very much in play. That theory is still very much in play because it's not only when it comes close, it could also be when it falls through, but it's just around there. You can say within one standard deviation. Each time it comes close, it's just there's a rally. Each time it comes close, there's always a rally. So we have this upper projection okay, it is a downward projection. It's a downward projection of 354, so it's still very much intact. You know, yeah, this is its daily chart. Let's have a look at its 4-hour chart and see what's going on. MSTR. Let's see MSTR. What's going on here? Okay, MSTR. Okay, so strength very much intact. Very interesting stock. Up 3.29%. Okay, let's come back and see. There's no support on its this 4-hour chart for MSTR. There's no support. Earlier on there was 324.64 as of yesterday. As you can see, the mean inversion in the short time has been negated. There's actually a higher one as well. 334.21. Very interesting stock. So no convergence is projected. Not in sight at the moment for MSTR. Higher and higher is what we are looking at right now. Higher and higher is what is projected. It might be interesting to have a look at its 1-hour chart and see what's going. That's a similar. That's the same case as well. We have a downward support of 392.36. No weakness is forecasted. Stock is doing marvelously well. Let's see the 1-minute charts. Might play out well. Yes, I need to adjust the settings. So 45 minutes is going to do okay. Yeah, still very much like those are the ones that we have here. Upper projections 430.63, 430.63. Below that we have 423.27. Below that we have 41150. Yeah, interesting stuff. Interesting. MSTR move up 3.3%. Okay, let's have a look at SOS. SOS, I believe, is down by some amount. Okay, we have 23.82% SOS. Yeah, even though it printed an intraday high of $10. What's going on here? Let's see. What's going on with SOS? Let's see what the news is. SOS Limited expects EDS ratio change to be effective on today. Okay, so something's going on there. We have a plunge that happened today, but weakness was still very much intact. The up till before now. So let's look at the 1-minute chart and see what we have. 1-hour chart and see. Let's see. Still very much the same. Still very much the same. Let's see what we have. We can find any rebound projections. Let's keep watching. Go down to the 2-hour charts and see. No? Okay. So extrapolation is forecasting that we're going to see, or rather the prospect of a rebound is not very, very high based on this extrapolation, but we have a rebound projection of 8.87. This is expected today, the 19th of November. This is based on this 2-hour chart. Let's have a look at its 3-hour chart and see if there's anything there. 3-hour chart, there's also a projection here. We have 8.85, currently trading at 8.4. Seems yeah, okay, one just appeared now, same 8.85. 4-hour chart, let's see. No projection, no rebound is projected. Okay, but the volatility is expected to slow down slightly. You can see the 10-period moving average has just called up. It's calling out. The expectation is sensing that yeah, it might cool off. At least the bottom might be printed anytime soon, or will be printed soon. So let's have a look at it. I think we've seen its daily chart. Here we have, is that what we have? We actually have another projection here on its 4-hour chart. You won't believe it, it's 12.64. Would that remain intact? 12.64 is projected. Yeah. Would that remain intact? Would that happen? Okay. So not very long ago, just as of Thursday, it was at 13.92. It seems like it's quite a volatile stock as well. Okay, yeah, we have here, I think we have another projection here. 10.05 is projected. That is pretty much what we have on this intraday high as well. 10.05. And this on its daily chart. Okay, let's quickly move on to WMT. I believe this should be Walmart. Yeah, Walmart is up 3.12%, 3.3 up, yeah. Printed an intraday high of $88, pulling back into its price channel now. I think the earnings disclosures came out today, before market here, so $0.58, I think was what they announced, but what was projected was $0.53 per share, so that's better than expected. Okay, we have strongly bullish. High highs still projected. We have highs of around over $88. Trending Walmart delivers Q3 earnings beat versus 2025 financial outlook. Let's see XPE. Okay. Yeah, still very much strongly bullish, even though it's been got a rejection as of Monday the 11th, about a week ago. So yeah, yes, that volatility is this volatility that saw it reached the print highs around 15.33. As now it's expected to continue to contract up till the 3rd of December. So weakness is expected. It's weakness is expected. It's 10, 20, 40 period moving average is expected to continue to move sideways. The 10 period moving average is expected to come and merge or converge with that 40 period moving average. So it's expected to trade within this wedge, within this frame. So expect that there will be no aggression in the very short term. Expect that there will be no aggression in the very short term. As a matter of fact, there are downward projections. You have 11.09. We have 10.35. It's downward projections. This is its daily chart. Let's have a look at its 4-hour chart. Let's quickly jump to its 45-minute chart. Let's see if there's anything there. Okay, so here on the 45 minutes, its contraction is expected to end anytime soon, with some strength coming in, but not to be a buy, to be with a bias to the downside, to be a bias to the downside. Based on the 45 minute chart, let's have a look at its 1-hour chart. Might be able to see something. Yeah, same pretty much. Okay, but there is another projection here. We have 13.57, just a slight premium to what it is currently trading at right now. Let's have a look at its 2-hour chart and see what's going on. So 2-hour chart, we have yeah, okay, some expansion, but not really not really towards a challenge in this peak of around 13.68. So contraction seems to have happened already. We now look at some expansion, in the coming session, in the coming hours, and it's based on its 2-hour chart. Let's look at the 3-hour chart and see what we have. Same as well, and it's a 3-hour chart. But there are unfortunately also there are downward projections. We have 10.79, and above that we have 11.33. Just right to where it is, there's also one there. There's 12.15. Let's have a look at this 4-hour chart and see. Okay, 4-hour charts similar as well, but we have here the reverse is the case. We have another projection of 13.7, slight premium to what it is right now. And we have earlier on we had as of yesterday we had a projection that goes even way beyond. I would say up to more than $16, short easily more than $16. Yeah. Okay. Let's quickly see what's going on with MSTU. Let's see. It's a 4-hour chart. It's not yeah, strongly bullish on this 4-hour chart. Okay, it's an ETF, MSTR. Okay, this is an MSTR ETF. Let's read about it. MSTU. Just like SMCX. Okay. Yeah, so now 6-day investment results before fees and expenses of 200% of the daily performance of MSTR. Yeah, so good on the days the stocks are doing well. Yeah, but even a lot more brutal on the days it's not doing well. Okay, yeah. So that's much to what we have in this live stream, and let's view what's going on in the stocks at the moment. SMCI up 26.14%. And we have PRFX, BL 4.73, and a couple of others. Yeah. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this live stream, and expect more to come.